Hey guys! So today I'm gonna show you how to make this cake in 2 minutes, and it's so easy that not only girls but also guys out there can make this. And trust me guys, this cake is so gooey and so chocolatey, it will just melt in your mouth. And all the people around me also love this cake, so I decided to share it with you guys. And yeah, so come on, let's get started. So for this you will need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of oil or butter, 4 tablespoons of milk and 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. Also I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So the first step is to add milk and sugar and mix it until the sugar is completely dissolved. So the sugar has now dissolved. I'm going to add oil to it and mix it. So the next step is to add cocoa powder and half of your all-purpose flour and mix it. So now you will add the remaining all-purpose flour and mix it. Make sure there are no lumps in your batter. Last step is adding baking soda to your batter. So now our batter is ready and it's liquid in consistency. So now put your batter into the oven. My oven is of 900 watts and I'm going to bake it for about 1 minute 20 seconds. And we are done!
So if you guys decide to make this out, do share your pictures with me on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter account. I would love to see all your creations.